7 tips to protect your company's data from cyber attacks. So you've just been made aware of the dangers of cyber attacks on your company's data. That's great. But how do you protect it? Cyber attacks are on the rise and your company is at risk. In this video, we will discuss ways that you can protect your data from cyber attacks. We will cover creating a cybersecurity policy, installing security software, conducting risk assessments, and training your employees. By following these tips, you can create a safe and secure environment for your business data. Establish a security policy. Clearly establish a data security policy with specific provisions for handling and safeguarding sensitive information. This policy should be regularly reviewed and updated to reflect the organization's current security needs. Implement effective security measures, such as firewalls, best antivirus software, and password protection, to help protect your data from unauthorized access. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology Crowds. Install software tools. One way to improve data security is to install software tools that can help protect your data. These tools can include antivirus software, firewalls, and encryption programs. It is important to choose the right software for your needs and to keep it up to date. Regularly scan your computer for viruses offers a good guideline for how often you should scan your computer for viruses. Educate your employees about data security. Many people may not be aware of the importance of data security, but that doesn't mean that employees don't need to be educated about it. In fact, it's important to make sure that everyone understands the importance of protecting their personal information, and 10 tips to improve data security can help with that. Make sure all employees are aware of the importance of keeping their personal information safe. This includes password policies and other methods for securing login information. Educate them about how to protect their computer systems from viruses and other malware. Make sure they know how to use anti-spyware software and keep up with regular updates. Encourage them to use two-factor authentication whenever possible. This will help protect their accounts from unauthorized access. Warn them about phishing scams, in which attackers try to steal user credentials by posing as trusted sources such as banks or email providers. Be sure they know how phishing attacks work, and what steps they should take if they receive a suspicious email asking for personal information. Make sure users understand the risks associated with sharing personal information online. Use encryption and backup services. Encryption and backup services can both help protect your data from unauthorized access. Encryption can help protect your data from being seen by unauthorized individuals, while backup services can help ensure that you have a copy of your data in case of an emergency. Keep up to date with industry news. Keeping up to date with industry news can help businesses stay ahead of potential data breaches and protect their intellectual property. By staying informed, businesses can better understand which threats are posed to their data and how best to protect it. Additionally, by being aware of the latest trends, businesses can make informed decisions about how to secure their data against future attacks. Monitor for cyber attacks. Cybersecurity is a rapidly evolving field, and organizations must constantly monitor their networks for signs of attack. There are many different ways to do this, including conducting regular scans of your network for threats, installing and using a firewall, monitoring traffic flow on your network, keeping up to date with the latest cybersecurity software and firmware updates. Respond to threats quickly and effectively. The cornerstone of effective data security is swiftly responding to threats. Organizations must have a clear strategy in place for detecting and responding to threats as quickly as possible. There are a few key factors that influence how quickly an organization can respond to a threat. The sophistication of the threat, the amount of data at risk, the resources available to the organization for detecting and responding to threats. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are several things your company can do to protect its data from cyber attacks. Following these Green Hat Files team tips will help keep your data safe and secure. Remember, it is important to be proactive in protecting your company's information and to always stay up to date on the latest security threats.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.